Dak basam khusnam samla pule rakhe ke Hindu Welfare Society ya kasing kha Mahatma Gandhi ke Hindu Welfare Society nong po menta kasing rakhe kasing kha ba chispa san nam Mahatma Gandhi dak basami khusnam shaki samla pule baru ban kerpat ki pat ba ka jela ban pene ya ka shong suk shong san walangi emisa ha padeng ki jat ben riu prepare po ka jela ya kani ka jero ke la pelong haying dorbar hall nong po ha ka balawan bandon ringkat nadu president ke Hindu Welfare Society u Unteswar Singh, u General Secretary u Madhav Singh, u Assistant Secretary Shnong Nongpo uba Michael Karhunai, bat u Muneshwar Singh, Professor Karib Hoy College, na lor ki samla puli bat ki kemi ki kapa. Lemba jong kani kasngi, la samru ki khusnam she ki samla puli ki balakot nyo pusan person ha ka SSLC bat HSSLC. But na lor sam kerpang ru ya ka khusnam sheki ar ngot ki samla puli ki badai ki topper ha ka SSLC but HSSLC bakan thop ya u Krishna Koirala ubalayo ha ka kerdan 17 position ha ka SSLC but u Japjot Singh Nongpiru ubayo ya ka kerdan mashipa ha ka HSSLC examination arhaja arpusaw.
Big round of applause to Subha Kumar Sharma. Congratulations, God bless you. He is in Shillong, I think. Examination 2023-24. Congratulations, ma'am. A big congratulations to the
programs. And it is through skill development programs of the Government of India that this menace of poverty, this menace of unemployment can be eradicated for today and for the future generations to come. There are times our youths always look to seek government jobs only. But we understand that with this huge population of our country, to give government job to each and every individual is impossible, I can say, impossible. Then what is the way out? The way out is that we have to give our best to develop skills. And that skills will be developed not through some individuals, but through community participations. And that has to come in a long way. And it is through skill development only people will have skills. They will start their own enterprises, and from being a job seeker, they will transform their life to become a job giver. And this is one of the dream of Mahatma Gandhi. That's why I am stating it today, sir. When he says he wants Indian villages to become independent, that was the motive, I feel.